we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words whose pronunciations are difficult, very hard to guess. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. So how do you go about pronouncing this one? There are two different ways of saying it. In British English, it is normally said as tumultuous, tumultuous, okay? Tumultuous. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as tumultuous. Tumultu. A chu sound here. Tumultuous. Tumultuous in American English versus tumultuous in British English. I know, very different pronunciations. Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.